Oh, the old jet boats and the brake checks. You always gotta be on your toes. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. Our guy's on the ready now, 2 hands on the boat, making sure he's hanging on. And this is gonna be an interesting one. Hopefully they can get it on the dock easy. So we got a boat hook in the bow, trying to push it off, and now we've stalled just off the dock. And Cap's got her in gear. We go for the hand reach. Even with the boat hook, we're using the hand. And let's see if our guy wants to step off the stern. No, we'll all reach out and touch someone and lend a hand and get it on the dock. Cap doesn't look thrilled. And as you can tell, everything's a little wet down here, so we had a little rain earlier. Lots of people are struggling trying to get off the ramps here, including this crew in the Dodge ramp. So our guy's gonna back down again, I guess, and try and maybe get a little bit of a running start. Getting a little words of encouragement from his wife. And here we go. A couple crew members step in for the assist. Let's see if it's enough. Nice slow roll approach. And that's one good way to try and keep some grip on the tires too. You don't always have to gun it to get out. Sometimes you can just slow walk it up. So our crew's coming in on approach, but Cap's kind of been torn. He was looking long and hard as to which side he wanted to go to, if he wanted to go for a port side or a starboard side dock. And, I mean, it looks like they're going for port. Even Cap's kind of going to that side now. But I think he's going to miss the dock. And he does, so they're going to have to swing back around one more time and attempt this again. But I'm seeing crew in the bow switch. Are we switching to the starboard side dock? He's going to come heavy bow in. And you don't really want to brake check this one. It's more of a forward neutral thing because the current wind's coming away from the dock. And so they reach out. They almost have the pole. They're kind of pushing off. Oh no, our guy's hanging. Not a good idea. Pretending it's Cirque du Soleil down here at the boat ramp, and my man just has toes on, hanging over and off the ramp. And our guy's able to get back up. Now that the rain's kind of pushed through down here at Black Point, it really has gotten busy, which is not too uncommon. It rains and people start trying to get off the water, including our crew we've got here, but as they pull up, there's not a whole lot of dock space for them to choose from. So Cap's making a turn in. Guessing we're gonna go for a port side dock, but he brake checks, trying to pull back. Actually called it fairly close to the boat in front of him, but there's not a whole lot of room here. I'm not really 100% sure where he's trying to go. So Wifey moves to the bow of the boat, but now we're reversing it back. Gotta watch out, bro. He's not even looking behind him. So he's gonna come forward one more time to come back around. I'm guessing he's just waiting on the dock now. Gonna brake check it again. Up, the boat in front of him. Wifey hand out like she was ready to push off if needed. Again, he's not looking behind him though either. Gotta watch out, bro. There's a lot going on down here. So the guy in front of him's trying to back out. And here we go, he's finally going to sneak his way around. I mean, this is always a wild time. I mean, we're kind of at the end of the day down here at Black Point as well, so it always gets a little busier right around 6 o'clock or so as well. But especially when this rain comes through, we've just got everybody trying to get off the water at the exact same time. So tough to see because we're kind of getting double shot blocked here, but our cap looks like they're trying to come in on their approach. And Wifey's still in the bow, trying to get the shot. Kind of shakes her head no, she doesn't like the look of it. And Cap's backing out again. So he's going to give it one more crack-a-lack. And there's nowhere really to go. They look like at one point they were looking like they were going to try and go in front of another boat. Decided they weren't going to fit there. Now are they trying to get on 6, it looks like? So Cap's going to make his approach in. Turns the bow into the starboard side. Wifey with the line, looking for the pole toss. Misses on the first attempt. Gotta watch out, they're sliding toward the boat in front of them. She grabs the pole this time. And we've got an assist on the front as well, who's grabbed the bow rail. His wifey walks to the back to push off the other boats. I don't know why Cap didn't grab another line while he was coming up. But they've got themselves in a little bit of mischief down here, that's for sure. Maybe there wasn't a stern line on the ready, but that would have been the easy call, was to grab a stern line, walk up with it, and they easily could have pulled the stern back over, but they'll use the bow rail. Wifey's going to get the stern line, and they should be good to go and able to get this out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.